right into this little flow right here, as you see. Once I kind of get into the current, start getting my jugs. When I deploy my jugs, I just leave the motor running, man. Right out there in the current. You throw it out just like that. Can you see that? Once again, deploy. Quick deploy. Oh, he's not stuck on the bottom. We got a fish. Oh, nice little channel. Oh, first male channel of the year. Not bad at all. Yeah, nice little channel there. All right. We got another one. Oh, yeah. That's a thing. Nice blue there. Yeah. Nice blue. Another jug, another cat. Yeah, nice blue there. Nice blue. What you think? That's jug fishing. We got enough for a fish fry. Let's head on to the house.